How to fix your X or Twitter app playback error. It's quite easy to fix, so let's get into it. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Also, make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any updates. Alright, so let's begin. First, what you want to do is open your phone settings. And once you are on your phone settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you see your app vault or your app settings. And once your apps have loaded, what you want to do is scroll all the way down where you want to find your X. I'm just going to scroll down in here. As you can see, I've opened the app info of Twitter. Here, first thing you want to make sure is that all of these permissions are allowed, because sometimes if the app does not have required permissions, it will cause the playback error. Make sure to do that and go to storage. Clear all of its cache and clear data if you want. This will refresh the app. You can go to your Play Store and search for X. And after this, if you have an update button right here, make sure to update the app, because if the app is running on the previous version, it will cause the problem as well. So once you update your app, your problem should be fixed and there should not be any playback errors. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.